Welcome to Restart UPSC. So far we have completed questions related to discount, and in this video we'll be starting the question related to geometry. Now let's start with the question. In a plane, x is perpendicular to y, right? Now x is perpendicular to y and parallel to line z. U is perpendicular to both lines v and w. U is perpendicular to v and w. Line x is perpendicular to v. X is perpendicular to v, right? That means x and u can be parallel. Now which of the following is correct? U is parallel to x and u is perpendicular to v and w. Here x is perpendicular to y, right? That means y, v and w, these are parallel. That means answer is D. Very simple question. Right? Let's get into let's go to the next question. A piece of tin is in the form of rectangle having length and width 12 and 8. Okay, this 12, this 8. This is used to construct a closed cube. That means, see, this is the entire area. Now we are constructing a cube. That means this area is becoming surface area of cube, right? Now what is area of rectangle? L into B. What is surface area of cube? There are 6 faces, right? And each face has the area of, let this be side of cube. This is a square, and there are 6 faces. The surface area will be 6a square. Now simply substituting 12 into 8 is equals to 6 into a square. To the a square is equals to 6 in a is equals to 4. The side of cube is 4 centimeters. Right? Very simple question. Now, let's go to the next question. An agriculture field is in the form of rectangle having length x1 meters and breadth x2 meters. If x1 plus x2 is equals to 40 meters, then the area of agriculture field will not exceed which one of the following values? As given, x1 plus x2 is equals to what, right? Right? We know that for maximum area of rectangle, we get a maximum area, right? The condition is x1 is equals to x2. That means it should be a square. Then only we'll get a maximum agriculture area. Now, when x1 is equals to x2, that means here x1 plus x2 is 40 and both are equal. That means x1 and x2 equals to 20. Right? Then what will be the area? 20 into 20, that is 400. Right? Now, this is 400. This is the maximum possible area. That means he is asking if x1 plus x2 is equals to 40, the area of agricultural field which does not will not exceed which of the following values. See, here we are getting 400. That means it will not exceed 400 square meters. Right? Let's go to the next question. AP is a vertical trunk of a huge tree, with A being the point where the base of the trunk touches the ground. Due to a cyclone, the trunk has broken at C, which is at height of 12 meters. Broken part is partially attached to the vertical portion of the trunk at C. If the end of the broken part B touches the ground at D, which is the distance of 5 meters from A, then the original height of the trunk is. See, it's telling, let this be a tree. This is trunk, and it's telling this point is B and this point is A. Now it's telling what? Here there is a point where because of cyclone it got broken. No, here it got broken. This is A and this is point C. No, since it got broken, right, the broken part has fallen and it's touching the point and touching the ground at point D. What is telling? This is 5 centimeters. So this is 5 meters. Sorry, this value is 5 meters, and he has given this is 12 meters. See, simply this is the right angle triangle, right? What is asking? He is asking entire height of the trunk. We'll find this value first, and then we'll add 12 to this value, we'll get the height of the tree. Now simply, since this is a hypotenuse, by using Pythagoras theorem, x square is equals to 12 square plus 5 square, that is 144 plus 25, this is 169, this is square of 13, that means x value is 13. Now he's asking original height of tree, that is, this is x, this is 12, right? This is equals to 13 meters. No, the total, the original value of the original height of the trunk is 13 plus 12, that is 25 meters. Answer is B. Let's go to the next question. A cylindrical overhead tank of radius 2 meters and height of 7 meters is to be filled from an underground tank size of 5.5 meters into 4 into 6. How much portion of underground tank is still filled with water after filling the overhead tank completely? What is the volume of tank? Volume of cylinder, right? That is pi r square. This is circle. This is total pi r square into this height. Wow. Now we are getting volume. Simply substituting 22 by 7 into radius is 2 now, 2 square, and height is given 7. Till this is cancelled. 2 square is equals to 4. It is 88. Volume of cylinder. This is equation number 1. Now he is telling there is an underground tank of, he has given values also. Volume of underground tank. It is 5.5 into 4 into 6. Right? You can get 5.5 is 11 by 2. 2 6 are 12. 11 to 12 is 132. We need to find how much portion of underground tank is still filled with water after filling the overhead tank completely. That means we need to find how much fraction of water is remaining. That means C. We had 132 meter cube of water. We have supplied to overhead tank of 88 meter cube volume by 132, the original value, right? Now simplify volume 44 by 132. You know, this is 11 4 this is 12 4 1 4 3 100. Answer is 100. Right? Let's go to the next question. Right, friends, let's go to the next question. If for a sample data mean less than, median less than, mode, then the distribution is. This is conceptual question, friends. I'll try to explain it simply. What is mean? Mean is nothing but average of all the numbers. Median is when we arrange the numbers in ascending or descending manner. What is the whichever is the middle number, that is median. Okay. What is mode? When we got when there is a range of data, whichever number is repeated many times, it will be the mode. Okay. Now see, when mean is equals to median is equals to mode, it is called symmetry. Okay, it will be like this. When positively skewed, right? Positive means what? Mean greater than median greater than mode. We'll simply try to remember this way. Since mean is average of all numbers, that means mean is very much inclusive when compared to median or mode. Where mode is what? Most repeated value. Median is what? When we are arranging any data in ascending or descending, it is the middle number, right? Positive means what? When mean is greater. Okay, you simply remember this way. This will be what? It will be skewed towards right, like this. This is skewed right. It is looking like it is extending towards like this. It is extending towards right side. Okay. We'll get positive marks when? See, when we'll get positive marks? Whenever the question we are opting in the prelims is right. That means positively skewed means it is skewed towards right. Remember this way. Negatively skewed means what? The reverse of positively skewed. Simply Positively skewed means mean will be greater than. Positive means what? Right side. Okay. Now, what is asking in the question? Mean is less. That means negatively skewed. Negatively skewed means what? Skewed towards left. Okay. This is conceptual question. Please try to remember this. I've tried my level best to explain it in simple manner. Now, let's go to the next question. Two walls and a ceiling of a room meet at right angles at a point P. A fly is in the air 1 meter from the wall and 8 meters from the other wall and 9 meters from the point P. How many meters is the fly from the ceiling? Simply assume P is the point where in a room which we are sitting, it is one of the corner where it is meeting with the ceiling and two other walls. Okay. See. Let this be ceiling. Right? Now, these are the walls. Okay. These are the walls of room. Here there is fan. Let's assume it is door. It is a window. Okay. Now see. What is telling? P is a corner of a room. Right? Where ceiling is touching the two walls. Now, what is telling? There is a fly which is 1 meter. Let this be a fly. It is 1 meter away from this and 8 meter from this wall. This is 8 meters. Now, again is telling this is 9 meters away from P. How it looks like? This is P. This is 9 meters. This is P. This is 9 meters away from P. It's a triangle. Now see. This is a rectangle. Right? This is a point. This and this. It forms a triangle, right? At this point P O. This is O. This triangle. I'm representing it here. Okay. Now see. We are getting a rectangle also here. Right? The parallel plane. That means it is like this. From the top view, it is 1 meter from wall 1 and 8 meters from wall 2. Okay. This is wall 1 and this is wall 2. Okay. This will be point P from the top view. This value is this. This will be O. Right? This point and P point and O point will be coincided, right? From when we are seeing from here, top view. And this will be what? This is fly. This is also 1 meter. This is also 8 meter. Can you see? This is a right angle triangle, right? And this is hypotenuse. This value equal to this value, right? These both are same. Now we'll find this value. This is length value. Okay? This is length value. It is nothing but, according to Pythagoras theorem, 1 square plus 8 square. That means 1 plus 64 under root of 64. Right? Now we got this value as under root of 64. What is asking? How many meters fly from ceiling? This is P, right? This is point P. And this is entire ceiling. Right? Now, if we get this point, this is equal to this, right? That means if we calculate this value, we'll come to know how many meters the fly is from ceiling. Right? Now see. This is a right angle, right? I'm drawing it again. This is 9 meters. And we have calculated it to be 65 meters. This is a right angle triangle. We need to find this value. Same by using Pythagoras theorem. 9 square. This is hypotenuse, right? Is equals to x square plus under root of 65 whole square. 9 square is 81. X square plus 65. X square value is equals to 81 minus 65. It is nothing but 16. X value will get 4. The answer is 4. Right? Please try to assume three-dimensionally by using the room in which you are sitting. Okay? Then you'll understand it properly. Okay, friends? Let's stop this video here. This will be the last question to this video. The remaining questions will be solving in the next video. Right?